Friends, welcome. We start a live trading session. One moment. I'm happy to see all of you here. We start our live trading session where we will trade this moment. We will find powerful situations which we exactly enter right now. Also, I will share with you some other trades that played out really perfectly. And at this moment, I ask you to do one stuff, type into the chat, do you hear me well? Do you see me well? And let me send a reminder that we are live. We are live. Okay. No. Hi guys, hi. Good. Okay, yeah, hello. Let me open for started trading you and let's check what's going on at this moment. Firstly, a few minutes ago, significant volume entered Solana. Let me do this screen smaller. Friends, type into a chat about audio quality. Rate from 1 to 10 audio quality. Friends, type into a chat about. From my smartphone, I hear that everything is good, but I need to also hear from you. Rate from 1 to 10 audio call. It's good. Awesome. Good. Good. Can you please see the pair football USDT perpetual? My friend, before we will do analysis for other coins, and after that we'll do the stuff that you just asked. Good. 12. Awesome. Today I changed a place and I work with my team. My team enjoyed all our stream together with us. And let's do, my friends. Once more, for all of you that only join, at this moment, what we are going to do. Firstly, we are going to analyze top coins. You can see all of them here on a list. After that, we're going to build trading plans that we can trade right now. Type plus into a chat if you were on a previous stream 1 week ago, because during the time, I gave a recommendation about BTC rise, and exactly when we finished the stream, BTC jumped by 2%, and many of you made money on that. And I told my wife that our walk cost us 500 USD because like I don't like to open trades before I go to sleep or walk. Yeah, I see 1 plus. We need more pluses. That's why those of you that were on a previous stream, I would like to remind to you that we are going to look for powerful situations. And if there would be no patterns, we just analyze previous ideas and reply to your questions. That was an example for you that you trade only when powerful pattern appears. You don't trade any shit because you have nothing to do. And also, friends, I promise to you that when we analyze all coins, I will reply to all your questions, and we will do maybe some fun, something like that. Okay, before we start analysis, let's reply to one question about ATAS. Please make your ATAS setup video. We already did in Ukraine language, and tomorrow I plan to record in English. That means ATAS will be soon, like we did for Scalp, for Tiger, and ATAS also will be soon. Okay, let's go. Type into the chat one that you're ready to start and analyze top coins with me. Type plus. Yeah, Venom, hello. Good. Friends, I will have, during the stream, sometimes I will ask different questions, and in most cases, I will ask you only reply plus, minus, and some number, 1, 2, 3, 5, to make it really simple for you to communicate, because for me, it's important to hear your feedback. Okay, good. Let's start. Let me make this beautiful. Firstly, about BTC, pay attention to what's going on BTC. BTC did powerful pump, and even way more bigger than I expected personally. Okay, let me close this one. This pump on BNB on BTC were way more bigger than I expected, because pay attention, friends, what BTC did. Pay attention. Okay, only StreamYard. Tiger, better to close. Okay, I closed everything else to focus on a stream, because capacity of computer isn't the biggest one. BTC broke this significant range. Let me open this program to paint for you beautifully, and did this beautiful pump. Yesterday, with my team in our community, I tried to take long, and honestly, I did a mistake yesterday, because I moved the stop loss on BTC into break even too far. And let me show it to you. As sometimes you will hear some outside noise, because we are in a co-working with my teammates, and that will be, I hope that will be okay for you. About BTC, have a look. It is in Discord with our community members. We yesterday we shared this BTC trade that we took, and that's example for you why break even sometimes is evil. I moved stop loss into break even when price of BTC were 17,900. It was exactly here 17,900 before this pump, and major reason why we try to take long here, because really significant volume were from this size, and the price of BTC pumped from it really well. What about right now with BTC and all of this stuff? Pixels, 3 pixels. And after that, have a look how that volume became really crucial resistance for BTC. Globally, BTC is still in this upcycle, still local upcycle. And globally, global reasons why right now there would be massive drop, I didn't saw. There were no significant volume at high. That's why if BTC retest one of these levels, it could be potentially good place to take long for some local rise even into this area, 18,200. Let's check. Just a few seconds ago, we received a notification about significant volume on BTC. Why is that significant volume? Have a look what's going on. Significant volume builds on BTC on the futures market. Pay attention to these levels. These levels are really important. If additional volume will be added, we potentially could take long trades because BTC already dropped a lot. Also, BTC did several reloads, significant volume at bottom. That's really good. But this volume is not enough to take long trade. We need more. The volume must be way bigger. At this moment, there are a coin that way more interesting for us. That coin is Solana. Actually, a few minutes ago, Solana, significant volume enters spot market. Let me show it to you. Friends, how many of you see this stuff first time in your life? Write one that you see this significant volumes first time in your life. Write one, because this stuff, I think it is the most important indicator on the planet that can help us make money in trading. That calls a footprint. Why is this so important and vital for us? Because it shows to us that people buy and sell a lot of coins. When we finish analysis, I will show to you several examples when price exactly moved dramatically from significant volume. I think it is the best patterns on the planet. Pay attention to, at this moment, we have this level on Solana. It is exactly this level, 1405. If price of Solana breaks this volume above, that volume become for us biggest support. Like resistance became support resistance. I think you many times hear it. If they break it, but they must break it and close at least 15-minute candle above that significant volume. Only in that cases we will take long. Only in that case. I tried to take short, but price failed to drop like few minutes ago. Into Discord, I sent to our members a few minutes ago about this significant volume and this plan. Like if Solana retest this volume, we take short, and Solana did retest it, but impulse down were really weak. Really weak, only 0.8%. It is not enough for us to make any money on this. I am blocked for your Discord. Can you resolve that, please? Yes, we can resolve it. Write your ID. At this moment, write your ID, and I will, or better, what you can do here is, where is it, Thomas? Antonio, I'll get started. Here, get access, must watch, must know. This one, Thomas. Write please to this man. It is Thomas. It is our support agent, and he will help you, Antonio. That means, friends, at this moment we have first trading plan. Solana. If Solana breaks significant volume above, we take long. It is our first trading plan. Would you like to know how properly you create trading plans for yourself? Okay. It is our first trading plan. Also for all other of you, BTC at this moment, significant volume. About BTC at this moment, while BTC goes down, in what cases we potentially could take a short trade on BTC right now? Only in a case if BTC retest one of the significant volume, especially like this one. Only here we can consider taking short, because at this moment we have clear momentum down. but price too far from VWAP. That means at this moment it is too late to take any short. Friends, those of you that first time here, remind to you that we have a free Discord channel where I share free signals, trading plan ideas, and everything that will help you become better trader, make more money with our company. That means that Discord, you'll find below the video in description. You can open Discord and join simply. Let me show it to you. It is exactly this one. Okay, BTC, only if BTC retest this level, we can take short. It is our trading plan for BTC. What else? Globally for BTC. What else we can do? Let me do this stuff. At this moment, by the way, Bitcoin exactly retested this significant volume area. That means, as I told you, some pullback really possible. That means if here additional volume appears in a footprint, we can take local long into this area, and after that global short. That would be best plan for us. Type plus into the chat if you agree with this trading plan. And type minus into the chat if you do not agree. Okay, let's go to other coins. Ethereum, friends. Ethereum at this moment exactly at this biggest volume area. Pay attention. Ethereum at this moment exactly at this huge volume area. And in normal cases, when price reaches such volume first time, they make a pullback. Because even here, have a look how many times this volume played out. In normal cases, there could be a pullback easily, at least to maybe this area to retest this significant volume. And that's why at this moment we should pay deep attention to Ethereum because there are big chance that ETH potentially could give to us really beautiful entry for long. But some additional volume should enter. We have only this 12K on ETH. It's not enough at this moment. What else? That means ETH trading plan. Let me do this stuff. That's a trading plan for ETH. I will open pictures in other places just to see that we have it, because just to see and have all of this stuff. Do you trade New York stock market opening? My friend, we trade crypto only. Daniel, we trade crypto only because honestly, even on crypto, you can trade all markets properly because our approach based on significant volume. Example for all of you, or what stuff do we use for our trading? At this moment, have a look. Like we received a notification about significant volume on BTC. By the way, all of you can get access to this bot with significant volumes. Below this video, there at trial, you can get access for free. You pay nothing with a trial. Because when significant volume appears, price quite often beautifully respects that volume. And I think the same stuff could happen at this moment on BTC. Have a look. And pay attention, there could be really easily rise to VWAP from this significant volume. Major reason why we do not take a trade right now, because this volume is not enough to open a trade against a trend, because we have trend And when price moves into trend direction, your it needs way less volume than to stop a trend. That means on a futures market, there must be way more to take a trade. Our Akriti Pant. I started in university when I was in dormitory. One guy came quite often to my neighbors, and they always speak about trading. And he convinced me to try, and after many years, I'm here. Honestly, first few years, Dayan, hello, happy to see you here. First few years when we did trading, it was really some bullshit, because we didn't have any kind of edge. We didn't. There was no good strategies, nothing that could actually help us make money. And it took many years to find this DOM footprint, and that's only one stuff that really actually works. Can you please share your review on Flow USDT? I'm stuck in this trade since ages. Diane, write entry exit points, and I will reply to you about the trade. I'll tell you my thoughts about the trade. Solana. Okay, let's go on with our top coins, because we need to finish top coins, and after that, we can go with some other stuff. BTC. What is this? Oh. Alan asks us, can I trade Bitcoin futures on Tiger Trade with only using Bitcoin spot account, since it's free? How can you open a trade on a futures if you use spot only? It's two different accounts. Like commission, yes, it's important, but it's not a key stuff, because if you have good proper strategy, your commission will pay no big impact for you. Because I will show you really powerful trades that we took. Friends, for me, it looks obvious that BTC is going to do this local rise. BTC together with Ethereum is going to do, I said long. Expert engineers, you mean you set buy limit, or you already opened? 4.5. I think at this moment they're going to do some pullback, but volume too small for me to take a trade. Volume at this moment. Dayan, about stuff like your personal question about your trade, we will cover it. I promised you we will cover it, but it will be in second part of the stream, because at this moment we would like to do analysis. Type into a chat plus if you okay with this, and I promised you we will take 5 minutes to check your question. Okay, local rise, friends. Local rise is going to happen at this moment. If someone would like, you can take a trade, because the problem here is that just to take a trade, I need bigger volume. Without volume, I do not take a trade. About Ethereum, it's really beautiful, because if we cover Ethereum together, look what we have. In Ethereum, we have significant volume. Let me show it.
why do we have this? Let me close this one because we have to. Oh, good. On Ethereum, we have this significant volume area that's really powerful and that's really good for us. Because quite often price react like Bitcoin in such area. But with the problem, volume
Too small to take it, right? You block the mic. Okay. What about right now? As you can see, my mic in my hand. Okay. Good, good. Thank you, friends, for your feedbacks. About Ethereum, it is this one. Okay, let's go to other coins. With BTC, we did also nearly the same as with Ethereum. We expect from this area pullback, and after that, we will build a short trade. The next one, BNB, Binance coin. What's going on? Binance coin, if some of you remember, many days ago on my Twitter account, I publicly shared about BNB. I told that BNB is going to drop because BNB broke these two significant volume areas. It was many days ago. Let me show it to you, this trading plans. Let me show it to you about BNB. It was exactly this one. BNB many days ago, I sent the exact signal to our community members and have a look. Price of BNB at that day was 296, and we predicted this drop because price exactly retested this significant volume, broke it, and another volume. And at this moment, what I think, if BNB will reach this area, 252, 248, it potentially could be a good area to build long position. Because have a look how they exactly retested this level, this one. And have a look how they exactly started all this drop from this level. Nearly the same could happen this time. That's why I set alerts at this level. And if that would be breakdown, we can build long position. Expert engineer, my friend, write your name, expert engineer. Okay, let me do this stuff. Next time I will use T-shirt because in that case microphone works better. Expert engineer, write please your name because I like to speak with you as a person. That's why about BNB, in this area, it would be good to build long position. Dogecoin. How many of you trade Dogecoin? So many days ago about Dogecoin, friends, let me find that post. I did so many days ago about Dogecoin. We did analysis where I told people that Dogecoin is going to drop really heavily. Where is it post? I do Elon Musk tweet, but about this drop, I wrote on Twitter publicly and TradingView that Dogecoin is going to drop and it's dropping. And at this moment, everything looks that Doge is going to reach this level, 81.98, and maybe even this level, 70.13. Honestly, I would be happy to build long position below 70.13, below 7 cents. Let's go to the next one. It is Solana. Friends, have a look what's going on with Solana, because Solana is serious. Even today, I did this post on Twitter about Solana. That's the reason why I recommend all of you to also follow me on Twitter, because part of analysis that I share with people, I publish here. Have a look on this one about Solana. About Solana, globally, Solana in the middle of this massive accumulation. Why is this massive accumulation important for us? Fakani Junus, yes, we will analyze this coin. Once more, friends, at this moment, remember our schedule. We analyze all list of these top coins together, build trading plans. And after that, I will show to you trades that we did before, strategies that we use, and I will analyze coins for you. That's why giving me additional 10-20 minutes to finish this list. And after that, all time. And after that, all efforts that we are going to do will be to analyze your instruments. Solana, at this moment, pay attention. In this massive accumulation area, why is this stuff really important for us? Because pay attention how Dogecoin played out the same pattern, exactly the same pattern before. Dogecoin broke, insanely big accumulation, and after that reach next significant volume, 138% of rise. I think if Solana, after what happened to FTX, have any future, because that's a really important question, it's a fundamental question. I'm not really powerful in that. If Solana have a real future, I think pump also could be big, few 100%. But it is a long-term analysis. What about short-term? Short-term, as I told you, we have significant volume. We have exactly at this moment, we have significant volume on a spot market at this price 14.50. If the price breaks the size above, we will take long. That's our plan. Friends, write your thoughts about Solana. Write plus if you think Solana will have future, and you think that all that news about FTX is already in a price. And if you think something about Solana, type into a chat about the fundamental value. Alex in the middle of the range. ADA, have a look what's going on with ADA. I think ADA below this level, there could be potentially good long. Ivailo, hello. Ivailo, happy to see you here. Did you saw that Ivailo, our long on BTC yesterday pumped so much after? If we would keep it, we would be able to take a break for next Monday, I think. About ADA, globally ADA bounced from this significant volume area, that major resistance at this moment. I think ADA, if it reach this level here, potentially could be a good long trade, and even to this range border. That's why about ADA, I just set alert. If ADA reach this level, that would be a good place to take long below this previous low. Near also bounced from the significant volume yesterday. And from my point of view, everything looks that near is going to drop even more into one of these areas. For near, if any significant volume appears, we can take short because it looks really weak. OP. About OP, this coin interesting because compared to many market, it have still bullish structure. Everything is bullish on this coin. Major question, will they be able to reach into this area? For short, it's a little bit late, honestly, friends. It's a little bit late to build short exactly right now. What about this? Solana has a future with its solid fundamentals. FTX collapse mostly priced in, but they may have some Solana bags to dump. I think why was they already dumped? Because remember that news that so many Sol is going to be unstaked. All that news. I think it's already priced in. And because of that, I think if Solana breaks that big range accumulation, it could easily repeat the same what happened to Dogecoin, 100% pump. If price at this moment 14, next key level 32, that means 130% pump really possible. About OP, at one of these levels, it would be possible to build some long positions. For short, I would consider to take short only if price retests this significant zone, this area of 116, 117, friends. It is a key area to build short positions. This one. That's why what we do at this moment, we just set alert and we wait. We set alerts and we wait. Especially if one of the zones appears significant volume, we take a trade. This APT, pay attention. At this moment, it is exactly at this significant volume area, and they retested exactly this one. It's really strange because while BTC dropping today, whole day, this coin didn't drop. That's really interesting. Why something like that happens? Pay attention. At this moment, we should pay attention to a footprint because there could be potentially good short trade at this significant volume. It's really powerful stuff. The next one, Matic. About Matic, pay attention, so many levels here, so many levels. Okay. Pay attention, so many levels, and many of them could be broken. At this moment, globally, Matic, if you open bigger time frame, bigger scale, let me do this stuff. Globally, Matic at this moment failed to break this level and also failed to break this level. That means Matic bearish. At this moment, it holds here. I think Matic easily can go and retest one of these levels here and here. Like at this moment, Matic exactly at this level, this one. But I think Matic easily can go and take go into one of this area because it's exactly where stop losses of most of the people. Have a look how during this bear market they like to make reload, rehigh to take stop losses. At this moment, it's not. It is not good to trade something like this. Oh my God. and DOT. Okay. Okay, at this moment, better to wait for BTC. Solana retested this significant volume and did nothing, 0.6%. What do you depend on to set your alert on? Can you clarify your question, please? Describe bigger your questions. That would be really important for us. Antonio, what do you think about band protocol? I'm trade long of him. Antonio, for you, one secret: fundamental and technical analysis, it is not the same, because sometimes price could pump and the fundamental of that coin could be really bad, like Shiba Inu, worst coin on the planet, but still it pumped. It means money flow way more important than all that fundamental stuff. How do you choose Punt ask us, how do you choose your coins for trading? I have a list of top coins and I trade them, because our approach for a big period of time, we shifted our approach and we trade only significant volumes. Let me show to you example of our trades. And based on that, for me, it's the best to trade only top biggest coins. Let me show it to you, trades, for example, that I did on a previous week. And let me show to you some trades that we took on the previous week, and you'll understand why for us biggest volume is the most important. Have a look on this example. On BTC, someone really entered huge amount of coins into short. Who did it? We don't care. But still, that level played out as really powerful resistance. And after that, we took beautiful short. Honestly, I closed too early because we could take double. That's why what we do, for me, is the most important to find significant volume, because if all of you would like, I can show to you several examples how price reacted on significant volume, just perfecto. Antonio, I think you are like, or Spain, Italy, Portuguese, and like Antonio would say perfecto. By the way, friends, write into the chat where are you from. For me, it's interesting to see our geography. I'm from Ukraine. Like, let me do first Ukraine. Or BTC finally big volume on a spot. Or let's see. Friends, so on BTC, significant volume on a spot entered, plus this one. What could be potentially our stop loss, 0.38. Yeah, volume price closed above the significant volume. Stop loss 0.35. Friends, so on BTC, volume entered on a spot market. Finally, we can take some long. This long is this idea is against a trend. It is only one high volume node. That's why I do not put really huge volume into. Okay, let's try and let's take some long on BTC. At this moment, pay attention, friends. This volume appeared. If 5 minutes candle closes above this volume, we take long. That would be scalping idea. But only if 5 minutes candle close above it. Okay, while we wait, I would like to reply to some of your questions. Correct. Can you check band in final place? Yes, of course, Antonio, I will check it. I saw you put alert on TradingView where big volumes are. Can you explain what does it mean to put alert? Because we will get notification from TradingView into app, also into email, that price reached that significant volume area. Because you do not trade, you don't open a trade in every place. You trade only where it must be. And it must be, you must trade only in a good and proper places. Because sometimes people think that you should be always in a position, but in most cases it's a real bullshit. You should open a trade only in a case when price reach your entry point. And significant volume, we have two types of significant volume. First, it is a volume profile. Second, it is a high volume node that I shows to you. But like at this moment, remember I told you about confirmation. Only if price close above, we can take long. Okay. Why you don't allow to join your group monthly membership? Diane, because it's not only about me. My team do most of our job. Yeah, we have 7 people, major 7 people in our team. It's in staff. Also, we have out staff some people, and they do such decisions. I record lesson, share analysis, do stream at this moment with you, and they try different stuff to change prices, what's included. That's why it always change, and it's for them to decide. Hi, Yurii. Yeah, Martin. Of course, Martin. I will write about this if price confirm our trade. Antonio, that's correct. I'm from Portuguese. Antonio, tell me please, how about Portuguese? How is it during this time? From Morocco, I think it's really warm there. We are below VWAP. Isn't it risky to open long? Yes, it's risky. That's why I told you wait double confirmation, because only if there would be some double confirmation, it would be possible to take a trade. Also, we are far from VWAP. That means price easily can retest VWAP. Sam, I love you. Thank you, bro. Sam, you're welcome. Alpha ask, my task doesn't look like yours. I think my task is not showing big volume. That's why I want a proper setup video. I'm new in task. Alpha, we are going to do it. We already recorded in Ukrainian language, and within 1-2 weeks, it will be in English. Just wait, because that tutorial will be nearly 30-40 minutes. It needs to record, it needs to my team to video edit it, after publish, create thumbnail, title, like it take time, but it will be, I promise you. Ali, please also check football professional in the final, of course. How to decide to open long or short in a big volume area? I will show to you several examples. Friends, type into a chat plus if you would like to see like this. This man appreciates do surf. This man, this gentleman, ask this question. Type plus into a chat if you would like to see several examples how exactly you should behave when price retests significant volume area. Can you shortly describe indicators you use in an optimal time frame for scalping? I can do it if most of the people here vote for it. If most of the people vote for it to do, type 2 into a chat, and I shortly describe all indicators and optimal time frames that we use for scalping. Type 2 into a chat. If there would be more than 10 people, we are going to do it step by step. While everything will be, we do it step by step. Brazil, awesome. Sweden. Ooh. Good. Good. I see, friends, your activity. I thank you. Remember to push like on this stream and subscribe to this channel, because in that case, YouTube like it and show to more people. That's important for us, because when we have more followers for us, it's very easy to create a lot of stuff, because team needs salary, and it's very easy to create really powerful content for you. Okay. Let me explain to you a question that this gentleman asked to us. Can you shortly describe indicators? DC parties. Can you write, please, your name? How can I pronounce it? Or short form of your name? It's nearly the same how to decide to open short and long in big volume area. It is the same questions as they connected together. Because if you don't have answer to first, you won't understand second. They are dropping from this significant volume area. We wait. Sometimes, friends, better to just wait. Okay, let me explain to all of you as I promised. Raja Zabir Ahmed from Twitter. Raja, thank you. Thank you. Happy to hear you here. Donuts. Okay, donuts. Yes, smash the like button. About indicators that we use, let me explain to you step by step. Firstly, about all of them, you can find in our YouTube channel. On our YouTube channel, there were a situation when I recorded a video lesson for all of you, and I will show to you that lesson at this moment within a few seconds on our YouTube channel, and also shortly will describe again. There are, what is the most important indicator? If you would ask me, Yurii, what is number one indicator? Number one indicator is a footprint. Why footprint is essential for us? Because footprint show to us where people bought and sold a lot of coins. Like this example on Solana. This beautiful example on Solana. Few minutes ago, we got notification about Solana that significant volume entered Solana. This one. Big size trades. By the way, you can get access to this bot trial. There below description, you can also get access to this. Why is such volume important for us? Because price really nicely respects such volume as a key support and resistance. And example for you, like this one, I told to our community members that price is going to retest, and we can take short from this volume. Price retested first time, and first time they did small drop, and that's it. Sometimes reaction way bigger and way better, because Solana already dropped a lot, and that's a problem. to trade from this volume at this moment. And footprint, if I would summarize it really shortly, it shows to us where people buy and sell a lot of coins. Why it's important for you? Because you can see where big guys buy and sell a lot of coins. And let me show to you a few examples how it played out really perfectly. It just perfectly. It was a trade that I shared on Ethereum with our community members. It was Ethereum trade. Maybe it was the most accurate trade that I took during this month. And guess into a chat on what why we took long here. Guess, type into a chat at this moment your thoughts. Yeah, BTC is dumping. BTC didn't hold biggest volume. That's why BTC dumping, and we didn't take short on Solana. Sad. It's sad. BTC dumped from this volume really quite a lot. It's good that we didn't take. It's good that we waited for confirmation. Oh, Dogecoin, significant volume appeared. What's going on? Why? On Dogecoin, it's on the futures market. Something going on Dogecoin, 15 million coins. It is not the biggest one for Dogecoin, but still it is quite big enough for make some impact on Dogecoin. Okay, let's come back. Major reason why we took a trade on Ethereum, it was because of this significant volume that entered spot market at 12,200, at 1,220. Another significant volume and another significant volume at 1,225. And have a look how Ethereum, with accuracy few dollars, did this pump. But have a look what was very beautiful after that. We exactly predicted a bottom of Ethereum. Have a look. It's really sad that I closed only after this one, because have a look, Ethereum after that gave maybe minimum 10 times more. That's example for you who have significant volume could gives to you really insane accuracy. That's number one. Should we go on? Type plus if I should go on with other indicators. BTC dump with S&P. Yeah, Maxim, big volume was a reason. I wonder when we will BTC separate from the stock market. Punt short on BTC now. It's a little bit late to open short because price already dropped enough. Like risk reward would be really bad if you take a short right now. Too late, my friend. What's going on? Is it because of S&P? Yeah, have a look up S&P 500 just 15 minutes ago did this massive drop. S&P really looks bearish. I think at this moment S&P potentially could reach this area and make a pullback, and after the drop. Should I exit from Sol? About Sol, you forgot that I told you open long trade in a case if price breaks above volume. If price breaks above this volume, price didn't break. You took a trade. You took a trade too far. What is your stop loss on Sol? I'm not master trader like Yurii, but I want to know, is it short before drop, do not after, and long before pump, not after? Yeah. If price already dropped, we wait for a range or a pullback. In other cases, we cannot take a trade. It's clear about indicators. What about time frame? As scalping happens fast, you would think 5 minutes time frame is optimal, but is it? It depends what exactly you do, because there are people that trade based on DOM footprint. In that case, you can use 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. We in our team, we trade based on significant volume in DOM, in a footprint that already traded. Only in that case, you can use, like I do, 15 minutes time frame, because I wait when significant volume appears, and after that we take a trade. And we created a special tool, big size board, and when that big size appears, we only after that take a trade. And by the way, all of you can test it 7 days for free. Below this video there would be this link, and you can get free access to that bot for 7 days. Just fill this form and my team will give you access to that bot. About Sol, I still hope there would be breakup on Sol, because price already dropped a lot, and BTC at this moment retested major significant volume. And for BTC, I would be really happy to take some long. Suggesting for upcoming streams, you maybe do a mini S&P analysis and start with BTC, ETH, etc. S&P really likes to give a direction to crypto market too. Thanks for stream. I must leave now. Thank you for being with us. Yes, it's a really good idea. On Twitter, I wrote about Solana for a long term, for a month. If you are okay to keep Solana on a spot market, not futures market, it's a really good time to buy it. OP, on OP, significant volume entered. That's spot market. Friends, have a look what's going on. On OP, a significant volume just entered, optimism. We potentially, sadly, that we saw it so late. Why I open it so late? Have a look on OP, and BTC also looks to give a pullback too far from VWAP. BTC retesting this volume. Okay, we should try OP. What will be stop loss 1%? Okay. It's so sad that on OP, have a look, significant volume appeared first time, 2 times really big volume entered spot market. That's really good for OP, because such volume like 240k for OP, pay attention how OP exactly respect big volumes on a spot market. How from this volume they get dropped, how from this volume 500 price did fake break up, and after that beautiful drop. Like spot market, have a look, this volume, they did a fake move, and after that this volume become important resistance. And at this moment I think like this volume is not the biggest one, but we should try. It is not yellow limit orders, it just lines, it is trend lines. Write more about your GHZ. Okay, guys, we can enter OP. OP, scalp long against the trend. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. With Solana, still something going on, and Solana doesn't look for a drop, and I also think to take some trade on Solana. Friends, we entered OP, and Solana, pay attention that at this moment Solana is going to break a significant volume on a spot market. That volume will become a key support for us. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for your support. The yellow filters on limit orders. Filters, we don't have filters, it just lines in a footprint. In a footprint, you can build a global horizontal line. That's it. It's not filters. OP, long, yeah, I told you to take long on OP. At this moment, OP retest this big pending order. If OP breaks it, that would be really good moment for us. But I also would pay attention to not only OP, I also would pay attention to Solana, because have a look what's going on with Solana, guys. Solana. Okay. About OP, if you take long stop loss, you can set here. We don't need bigger stop loss, because if price drops below, breaks below, all the structure will be broken. Pay attention to Solana because while BTC were dropping, Solana didn't drop, and Solana become really way stronger. About BTC, it just retested this significant volume area, and from my point of view, for BTC, it would be really good to make a pullback. And if BTC makes a pullback even to this area, Solana and OP will take a good move. About Solana, why I think at this moment Solana really interesting, because Solana significant volume and Solana is breaking it. Okay, OP moves up, good. Additional big volume on spot entered OP. That's really interesting, because if both volumes will be broken, that becomes important support. Something going on a futures market on OP, because you can pay attention how this big volume appears, disappears. That's really interesting. Something going on. Did you see a few seconds ago 900K, 100K, something going on OP? Solana moves up. Solana at this moment moves up really pretty well. Pay attention on Solana. I'll trade on Solana. Beautiful OP. About Solana, friends, I took long here on Solana before breakout of the significant volume. Stop loss below this low. And Solana, from my point of view, Solana could make some significant volume, because major reason why I think Solana interesting, because it broke this significant volume that I showed to you in the beginning of the stream, and it's pumping. Beautiful. OP, additional volume entered. Have a look about OP. About OP. Why OP really interesting? Guys, Solana pumping. Additional big volume entered OP. Something going on OP. Holy. About OP, pay attention to this spot volume. If OP breaks it, minimum what we can expect to retest VWAP. Let's see. That's really big. Guys, write to me in the chat what position do you have. Did you open any position at this moment? Solana just retested VWAP. Why that's important for us? Because if Solana breaks VWAP, VWAP it is balance of a day. If Solana breaks it, that would be really good for us, because Solana could make a way bigger rise. OP. It said that maybe I didn't tell you, I didn't convince you to take Solana. For Solana, it's important to break VWAP, because exactly significant volume here, and Solana easily can go and take, let me find some goal for us. It is this one. In normal cases, Solana could go even into this area because that's the biggest volume area. Yeah, for normal cases, Solana, if they would do at least re-high here, that would be really cool stuff. Sam, write please again about chill, please. Yes, I would reply to you at this moment. Tell me, please, what exactly you have, what's your position? Write more about your position, and let's cover Chinazes. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it together. Friends, remember, for many of you, I promised that in second part of the stream, we are going to analyze your coins. It is time to write down about your coins that we should to analyze. Sam, I promised you to reply. Tell me about your entry point. Where did you open a trade? Okay, let's cover Cheers. G H Z Chinazes USDT. Sam, what's your position? Chill, please. I see chill, please, but did you open it short, long? Can you explain to me about your trade? Because at this moment, I like to give you a feedback. I entered at 0.19. At 0.19, you entered here. You bought it, yep. Did you buy on spot or futures market? Holy shit. Holy shit, I would say. Man, you did really bad stuff because market is down, whole entire market is down, BTC is down. Better to cut your loss, cut loss and get out. Cut your loss. If you bought a coin and you don't know where your stop loss, you did really bad stuff. Do you buy coins for long term and hold on spot? With our team, we do a special project. We started with our team where we buy coins on spot and keep it for a big period of time. Example for you on Twitter, it is only spot trading. In my team, we have my team analyze coins and they buy those coins and keep it. Like last coin was TON, Telegram Open Network. Let me show it to you. It was exactly here. About TON, many days ago, it is TVT. Let me open this one, BikoTrading. It is in our BikoTrading Academy Twitter account. Let me send to you. It was exactly this signal. My team gave this signal to buy TON many days ago, and after that, within a few days, only it pumped by 43%. And here you can book and join this step because we at this moment working on a project to create a room where we will help people buy coins on spot to make money on spot. Because honestly, this futures trading, it is for active people only, and it takes time, and you need to analyze DOM footprint. For most of the people, it's way easier to buy coins on spot and wait. And that's why, if you're interested in that, what you can do here is the link, and you can join, and my team will help you with all of the stuff. How to join? Enrico Novalo. How to join VIP channel on Discord? Below this video, Andrew, how you guys can do it really easy. Below this video, guys, if you would like to get signals, updates for me on the futures market that we trade on daily basis, you below this video, there would be a link. You just join that link. Let's hit upload, and I will show to you. 1 million. Solana retesting that significant volume. Solana retesting significant volume area. A few seconds. It's exactly this video. Below this video, what you will get access to private community. Just open that link, fill the form, and my team will help you. What you will get first as a member here, just write down, and my team will help you with all questions. And what you will get, trade analysis, where I share with people, where we analyze trade, make calls with our team to become better. Bitcoin updates, Bitcoin signals, trading plans, where I analyze some coins and tell to people what to do. For example, like this AVAX, and after that AVAX did pump. Like this one, BNB, told to short, BNB dropped. Here you can ask me a question about like cumulative delta, all of that stuff. I help you. Scalping signals, when I see really powerful ideas that we can enter as a scalp, I share with people. That's fine. If you like that offer, simply join Discord and get access. Okay, let's make it. You're welcome. Sam, soon I will be a member. Thanks. You're welcome. Because of the football, Chilas was expecting to be good. Remember one stuff in trading: buy the rumors, sell the news. When you hear that something already happened, better to get out. That's it. It's not a way how really professional traders do. Buy the rumors, sell the news. Just remember that. Friends, at this moment, Solana retesting this significant volume that entered in exactly in this area. Let's see what's going on. For us, it's important Solana must bounce from this. If that really happens, that would be good, and Solana will be expect to see a good rise on Solana. I like, because the biggest volume on Solana entered exactly here at bottom. That's really good for us. But price should continue squeezing, because this idea, it is against the trend. That's a bigger problem of all of the stuff that we do. They all against the trend. That's why we must be careful. Vitalik, hey Yurii, what's the best platform to read DOM in your opinion? Vitalik, you mean DOM or a footprint? Because for DOM, the best one, exactly for DOM, at this moment, the best one for DOM, it is a Tiger Trade. For DOM. For a footprint, ATAS way better, because there are more options that you can do. Honestly, I use them both. Man, I don't like to put my number for sign up. Use a fake number and use email to speak with my team. What's the problem? type to our teams that, guys, I would like to use just only through messengers or through email. That's it. That's not a problem. You also should be safe. Okay. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin, because what's the problem? BTC squeezed down. That's really bad for our trades on GHZ and Solana. That's not good. Because for those coins to rise, BTC should go back to this VWAP area. Only in that case, that really happens. About BTC, this significant volume important for BTC, and in normal cases, BTC should make a pullback. Should, but would. Ali, write please the ticker of that coin. I will check it. Vicky, what is it okay that good? Because when you fill a form, you write in that form that I don't want to speak, for example. Please use only email or messenger. Text me. That's okay. When you text, my team will get that notification from you, and they easily can use it and write to you, like you said, that no, only I would like to speak. Dear BTC, make some local rise, because only if BTC makes some local rise, that would be good for us, because in other cases, we will get stop losses. Solana looks, Solana bouncing. Let's see. At this OP. Because volume on OP also entered really big. And the OP spot market, pay attention, these three big volume nodes, they really big, guys. And if price breaks it, that could be a good jump. Football USD perpetual. Okay, let me check that football perpetual, because I never saw the ticker ever before. Football USD T. Write a ticker, please. Football double L. This one. This football big downtrend, but they started this rise, volume entered. What about this football without football USDT? It's only futures. Is there is no spot? Is there any football ticker for spot? A bigger problem if BTC at this moment make a significant drop, all of these coins also would continue to drop, because at this moment looks BTC is going to minimum reload, because BTC failed to make any pullback. BTC don't want even retest a VWAP. At this moment, I think BTC is going to make minimum this reload. Why is it bad for us? Because pay attention to this Solana. Solana slowly squeezing up, down, and the OP also. Why is this a problem? Because they easily can make some, before they do any rise, they can take stop losses. That's a problem. Because worstest what can be, pay attention to the Solana. Solana here, significant volume entered. Solana 2 times bounced down, and at this moment, the most important question: will Solana bounce up? That's important for us. Because if Solana won't bounce up, this volume will be broken, and we will keep analyzing it in the future. Football USDT. My God. Let me check that football USDT, because I wrote a ticker several times and didn't find it. FUT football LL USDT. There is no spot, only futures contract, right? Is there a spot coin? Can you give me a spot coin ticker? Maxim, OP seems moving against BTC after very entry. They moves differently compared to BTC, because BTC did several times reload. Solana and OP didn't do it. And at this moment, any big pullback on BTC up, for example, BTC retest VWAP, those coins will jump really bigger. But only in a case if BTC makes a pullback, because if BTC at this moment, Maxim, would make significant drop, nothing would help. Can you see band USDT? Yeah, Antonio, let's check. Friends, at this moment, I ask all of you to what to do. Yeah, of course, I ask all of you to push like. I ask all of you to push like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because in BikoTrading Academy, we help beginner traders to grow and become successful. We do it from our practice, because we started from zero. I was a student and I had nothing, like actually really nothing. And at this moment, we created one of the most powerful and the most accurate strategy in whole entire industry. That's why subscribe if you would like to get different lessons from us about trading, tutorials, investment ideas that will help you become better and make money also. Let's do this band USDT. Band. Band in the middle of this range. Tell me please about, Antonio, what's your tell me please what's your position in this coin, because globally this band after this painful bear market, this coin pumped, because where is the biggest volume area? Let me check. This coin, pay attention, it pumped from this biggest volume that were accumulated in the middle of this range. Like remember one rule: you buy only when price retest some of the significant volumes. Example for you: have a look how they retested this significant volume and how price after that make this beautiful jump. That's how you behave, because it's whales support such levels. Tell me, Antonio, about your position. Like in this area, I would really be happy to buy it, but in other areas, no. Like here, it is not a good place to buy. Like only this one, 140, something like that. Where it would be really wise to get out from this coin. Have a look how they exactly retested this significant volume area. Have a look. And exactly get dropped. That's example for you how this significant volume played out so much. Friends, type plus into a chat if you still in any trade OP or Solana. Plus. It's not on spot, it's on futures only. It is an index for football talking. Okay, let's check that football. Football USDT. Let me check this premium index. Football USDT. Duka, you didn't open a trade, or you just you get out? What about this coin? To take a trade, let me check the biggest volume nodes. At this moment, this coin, pay attention. This coin exactly below this biggest and the most significant volume nodes. And the only breakout of this significant volume nodes make this coin really bullish again. It means if this starts squeezing up, that would make this bullish again. In what cases where I would be really interesting to take long, it is exactly at this significant volume, at retest to this volume. But price already retested this volume. Pay attention on this level. What they did, they exactly by this tail retested this volume. That means at this moment, what I would personally do, if you would ask me, okay, Yurii, when can I take a trade? I personally would take a trade only if the price breaks this significant levels. That means price should break it up. My mouse doesn't move good somehow here. Only if price breaks these levels up, and after that, as a support, I will use one of the significant volume nodes. That's it. 653, 653, you open short. But what was the reason of your short? 653, it means you took it here. No, you took it higher. In normal cases, if you took short in that place, you would need to get out with stop loss, because where is your stop loss? Tell me, Ali. Tell me, where is your stop loss? $700. Your stop loss really big. Honestly, it's too big a little bit. Honestly, you need to get out from this trade. What I recommend all of you to do, friends, after this stream, I highly recommend you to open and watch this lesson. Like a few days ago, we just published this lesson. It is really powerful one. Sadly, it is a little bit underrated. It is about this lesson is really underrated. It is about how to stop losing money, and it is 4 tips to stop losing money and forget about what's lost. And one of the stuff, it is a proper stop loss placing. And if you do not place stop loss properly, there would be problems. Okay. Now, guys, what's the problem at this moment? BTC going down and doesn't stop. Looks there could be I keep a trade until stop loss or take profit, because there is no reason to get out after this one. But looks that this time OP will continue dropping simply, and Solana also. Sadly, we didn't take Solana. We didn't book Solana when price did this impulse into this area. I thought to take out Solana, but it didn't. But I didn't. That's why there could be, if BTC make impulse down, that could be really bad for us. That's a reason why we should have good and clear stop losses. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's open Solana. Solana at this moment exactly at entry point, and Solana exactly at that significant volume trades around. That means let's check. Would you like me to show you the most powerful pattern that in the future? Yeah, I see that OP is falling. It follows BTC. BTC is slowly squeezed down. That's why I'm not surprised. Tell me, guys, would you like how much OP fall now? I have minus 0.2%. Worst part when you take trades against a trend. Do you know what, write in a chat and share with me, what is the worst part of trades that you take against a trend? BTC exactly, Solana exactly at that significant volume. Type into a chat if you know what's the worst part to take trades against that trend. If you don't know, type minus. Jedrek, are you from Poland? I agree with this, with Jedrek, that with bigger chance, a trend will go on. And do you know in what cases it's really possible? And Jedrek, do you know in what cases it's really possible to take trade against the trend. During these streams, honestly, I do more trades and they less accurate because when I analyze my statistic, I understood that during the streams we take trades, and when I trade alone, most of the trades I would never take. Because I would like you to show some strategies in real life, in real practice, and I want to show you that you see how it works. Yep, Jadrek. We love Poland, and we are so thankful, people from Poland, that you help Ukrainians. Yesterday, we were on a stand-up, and one guy from Romania, he came to Ukraine. They have a tour in Ukraine. And one guy told the guys, like a guy from Netherlands, like say he came to Kiev, and air alarm started when you hear woo, and you should go to shelter. Before he ordered a food from Uber Eats. And he said, I went underground and opened app and still Uber my guy cycling and brought food to him. And he asked, are you from Lviv? Yeah. And he asked, how after that I can give any guy a bigger rate in app that you use. How can I give anyone 5 stars after when that guy's on the air alarm bomb flying, he brought food to his table. BTC, a bigger problem, friends, with BTC, because this BTC didn't do any pullback. It just slowly squeezed down. That's a problem. As you said, we should take trade against the trend when we can see a large volume at the center price. Yes, that's only one way when we can take a trade. We have trade volume on OP and we have volume on Solana. As you can see, both of them moves differently. They didn't drop as BTC. While BTC dropping, they stopped. That's good, but that's not enough. Volume must be insane. It must be insanely big volume to take it against a trend. Insanely big. And at this moment, what I can see is that BTC, compare this chart, BTC only drops, several relows, no pullback, but Solana, during this time, Solana even retested VWAP. That means Solana stronger at this moment, someone buying Solana. But still, if BTC won't rise, Solana would not hit our target. That's a problem. That's a global problem. Vitalik, yeah, where are you from? GHZ looks bullish and can test 0.20. I see a bullish divergence. Can you look at this GHZ? Globally, about this GHZ, if you would ask me, Yurii, can you buy it at this moment with a target 21 to make money? I would say no. I personally I have zero desire to put my own money at this moment. About you are in a position, and at this moment you analyze it differently. You want that this coin rise because for you it means you make money. That's a problem actually in trading, because instead of being neutral and be with mindset, I don't care what will be with that. it must rise, it must rise, it must rise, it must rise. That's bad, honestly. It looks, friends, that all our ideas won't play out at this moment because, like Solana, for me it looks that it was a little bit too late because Solana bounced from Vivo up, and at this moment there is no reaction. I keep it until stop loss, but honestly, I think percent that it would play out really small. And love from Ukraine. Where are you crypto guys hanging around it? We have in our office, work together. You mean you full time? What do you mean by full time? You trade full time. You miner. You do some other stuff. Can you explain what you mean by full time? And let's check BTC's footprint. Solana, as you can see here, Solana actually slowly squeezed down. If Solana takes us out, like that would be additional confirmation for me that during the streams, in which time frame you use VWAP at this trade. Martin, VWAP, it is a daily indicator. You build it on a daily chart, and it doesn't matter what time frame you use. VWAP always will be with the same places. Example for you on trading, you have a look. Where is VWAP? VWAP at this moment here, 17604. We open 13 minutes time frame. Where is VWAP? Again, 17600. We open 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. VWAP always at the same place because it builds on a daily time frame. It uses daily data. It shows to you a balance of a day where people trade the most, where biggest volume traded. At this moment, biggest volume traded on BTC here. And VWAP, it's like a magnet because a lot of people trade nearly that place. I hope, Martin, for you, it was a good answer. Okay, Solana really close to our stop loss. Solana, this stuff with significant volume broken. And at this moment about Solana, from my point of view, Solana is going to retest this key level, where biggest volume established. And if Solana won't reversal, 95, after that volume, that means all idea broken. Like it is biggest volume at this moment for Solana, our key support. It looks that BTC started making a pullback. BTC at this moment did additional nearly 1% drop from that significant volume. That significant volume that we saw last time, it didn't hold BTC, and BTC actually did drop. A bit everything have been doing NFTs, flips, Binance Smart Chain, LP farming, airdrop hunts, and this year mainly swings and extreme scalping on the news. Can you tell me how is your scalping on news works? Because that's really interesting. Martin, you're welcome. You're welcome. Friends, remember to subscribe to this channel because as I told you before, this channel created by traders, and main goal on this channel is to help you become successful. We do it not only because we won't only give to people. For us, it's also important because believe me, when I record a video about footprint, I learned about it even more. And for us, it's important to serve people. And for all of you, it is possibility to learn powerful strategies, really accurate one. That's why remember, subscribe. And if you have friends that beginners, best what you can do, you can open any video on YouTube and go to our playlist, public playlist. And you will find whole playlist with free lessons about scalping, especially if you're a beginner. Or Dogecoin, big volume entering. Like this is our YouTube channel. If you're a beginner, what you can do, you can go to this YouTube channel, BikoTrading. And here, a whole playlist with scalping by DOM footprint. Especially if you have friends, beginners, that would like to learn what's DOM, what's footprint. You pay nothing for this. It is completely free lessons. Just copy this link and send it to them, and they would be really happy because footprint completely changed my life. I think it is the best stuff to learn. Okay. Hope BTC will not take the liquidity at 17,355. Why you think I hope it would not take? It already were at 355. Have a look. It was at 355. Yeah, exactly. Retested 355. Exactly. Why do you mean this level? You hope it won't take? Solana really weak, and we should pay attention to this level on Solana because it is the last support for Solana. This one. OP. OP is a fighter. Friends, type into the chat what coins we should analyze at this moment for you. Link is also looking good. Let's check link. Link. I don't have link in my list of coins that I analyze all the time. Link, USDT, link. At this moment, every coin below VWAP, that means balance still down. Let me adjust it. What do you mean link is going? Link is good, but because globally link doesn't look really well. Have a look. Link globally in the middle of this range, exactly in the middle. That means link in a powerful accumulation area. That means globally at this moment, better to wait for clear breakout of this range. On a local time frame, if you check local time frame, where biggest volume established Link exactly broke it down. That's not good, honestly, for Rise. Only breakout, only if the price break it back, that would be really possible to take long. Like at this moment, it goes down, and next support is here. It's going maybe to hit this support. Maybe after that, it could jump. Look at no, friends, pay attention. For our candle close exactly at bottom, and I know this level, really insanely big volume entered here, and BTC previous pump did from this significant volume. I remember this level. I remember here. Price just retested this volume, retested. And let's see, will be the pullback. In normal cases, there should be a pullback. But in normal cases, if this case is in normal, we have stop losses. That's a reason why we use stop losses, because they easily could break it down and the price just would never react. Because about Solana on a bigger time frame, what's the problem? Pay attention on all of these local levels. If Solana continues squeezing down, they would break it down. But let's see on Bitcoin. I still believe there could be a pullback into this area. Please check Algo. Algo, do we have Algo here? Atom, no, we don't have Algo here. Algo, pay attention on this powerful downtrend. That means Algo is still suffering. And Algo, have a look how last time Algo bounced from this biggest volume area. Globally, on Algo, nothing had changed. Until price below this biggest volume area, it's still bearish. Only when Algo breaks it up, it would become really bullish. Until that, I would wait for accumulation. I was doing 1000x on high impact news using crypto casino platform. What do you mean crypto casino platform? Right, Vitalik, right, please. Martin, yes, let's check LTC. LTC compared to many other coins, pay attention. LTC broke this significant volume several days ago, even faster than BTC. What I think at this moment would be good on LTC, if price retest this area 60, that would be really perfect place to enter long for 110. Our Solana still fighting. Solana still fighting. At this moment, Solana at my entry point, because Bitcoin making a pullback. Exactly here at my entry point, Solana, like a few seconds ago. Sometimes, as you can see, guys, some coins really looks perfect. That's why about LTC we checked. LTC, I like it. SELO. This chart, I don't like this chart. We don't have some significant one clear zone of accumulation. Price first time, have a look, retested this biggest volume and exactly bounced it. And at this moment, still, I don't know why, but I don't like this chart. About this coin, it's important to check these fundamentals of this coin, because have a look on this tails. In most cases, such chart only scam coins have. Like, I don't like it. It looks like there is not enough players in this coin. Yeah, Maxim, correct. No books, super simple interface, just place a bet. Okay. There are casino allowing you deposit crypto and gamble slots and spot books, stuff like that. But they also have crypto trading where with 100x to give those money back to them really fast. AVAX USDT. AVAX at this moment in accumulation phase. Pay attention. About AVAX, it's exactly at this significant level of accumulation. And what I think about AVAX, if there would be a clear breakout, we will take long at retest to this level. Because have a look at 3 important levels on AVAX. But globally, this coin is really at the accumulation zone. Also, a cool place to consider trade, it would be at 9 because it would be a low of this previous high. If price somehow would make this such a low, it would be really cool to take long to one of these levels, 17 and 23. Friends, at this moment, let me close all of this stuff. About Solana, it's really sad that we didn't close it here because BTC could make a pullback. About OP, only if OP breaks back this volume, that would be clear signals that pullback to VWAP is possible, because at this moment, still not yet. Friends, at this moment, remind to you, if you would like to get updates, signals on daily basis, trading plans that we personally use, below this video, you will find this one, get access to private community. You just open this link and fill the form. My team will share with you information about our community. Generally, we share places where we take trades, where the coins that we analyze, you can ask different questions regarding DOM footprint trading. In most cases, people join it because they are looking for trades that we take. And on daily basis, there are plenty signals that we receive by big volumes. You also have, you will receive access to this stuff. because major reason why we consider OP, because of this significant volume. And every day, so many times significant volume appears and you can take trades. We will show to you how to trade it properly. That's why just follow the form and my team will share with you all what you need to do, all the information. Okay. Yeah, fun time now playing with each bot using Binance. Man, better use DOM footprint and proper trend direction. Okay, about Solana and OP, better to get out, guys, because it doesn't look good. It does not look good. Or keep it. Friends, at this moment I need to go. Let's do finish with some final questions from you. Tell me at this moment what questions you have. Maybe you have questions about these positions that we took on Solana and OP. Maybe you have some other questions. And rate this stream from 1 to 10. Rate this stream. And share with me what you think we should add for the next time. Because I have a lot of trades that we took during the week, because at this, sometimes what's the problem streams? Like on a previous stream, those of you that were there, we waited 2 hours while significant volume appears and only after that price did a move. Sometimes that's a problem of live streams, that I cannot tell you where significant volume entered because it's based on the players. And that's why for you, to help you become better, become successful, I always prepare trades that we took during the week, and we explain to you why we took it and how you can take it in the future by yourself. Good. Thank you, friends. Jedrick, you're welcome. Guys, if Solana and OP reach, like at this moment about Solana and OP, everything looks that BTC finally could make a pullback, because 3 times they did real low with this significant volume. Like in normal cases, they minimum, they maximum can retest this extension of VWAP, or they even can retest the VWAP. If that happens, Solana and OP would also rise. But I would highly recommend you to close it at break even, because this structure broken, big volume on Solana didn't hold this time. That means volume broken. If price reach break even, better to get out. Okay, good. Thank you for your time. See you within maybe next week. I will do also stream, also in same day, same time. Thank you for being here. Good luck, friends, and trade wisely only when big volume appears. Bye.